Okay, let's see if Ben can climb up. Climb so he's standing on the couch. Okay, so put the wipes next to you, Annabelle. Let's see if he can get them. Back it up a little bit. Back it up. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. No. Let him do it. Let him climb on you. Look at you climbing up. Can my 8-month-old baby climb up now? Let him do it. Just be calm. So he can try hard. Let him do it, okay? Dada.
Come and get the wipes. Come and get the wipes. Pull. Put it into my hands so you can get up. Run.
Almost there. Almost there, huh?
Come and get the wipes.
Almost there. Get up on your feet. Can you get up on your feet? Okay, scoot back a little bit more. There. Now he's focusing on them.
Why is he focusing on me?
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
You're getting tired.
Ow, ow. I think he wants me to pull him up.
Alright, you can pull him up if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, baby, sissy. Yeah. That's better. Now you can get them. And then, come and get the wipes.
Ben, say, I did it! Whoa, good catch.